In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save TikTok video without posting it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then tap right here to start creating your video. You can record a short video or you can upload some from your camera roll. I'm just gonna choose that one. After that, we are able to edit that video. We can add some sound in this way. Also, we can add there some effects, some stickers, some widgets, we can mention someone, and all that stuff we usually do while editing our video on TikTok. And then when we are done with that, to save this video to our camera roll without posting it on TikTok, all we have to do is just tap right here at that arrow. And then we just need to wait for a while until rendering and saving process to finish. It can take some time, depends on your device and the length of your video. And then once it is done, we can close TikTok app, and if we go to photos at recents, we can easily find the video we have just created.